Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your cheap microphone recordings sound really good and expensive. Right now my audio is not enhanced, but in 3, 2, 1. This is how the enhanced audio will sound. I will show you how you can do this. And the best part is, this is all free. First, open Google Chrome and go to podcast.adobe.com. I will put the link down in the description for you. And sign in if you don't have an account. You can create it. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up. Once you sign up, scroll down and you will see the option called AI powered audio, and this is where the magic happens. But before that, just scroll below and you will get to the option where you can get your mic checked. Just go ahead and try it out. Press start. How is my microphone setup and placement? We'll wait for it to show the results. Yeah, perfect. My microphone has been set up well. Everything's on green. Now we go back to the Adobe Podcast homepage. Scroll down to AI powered audio and click on the Try It Out button. Now, here select the audio file you would like to enhance. I will go with this recap file. Normally this takes less than a minute or two depending on the size of the audio file.
A few moments later.
Yeah, and that's done. Now you can just go ahead and download it. Play the audio and compare it with the unenhanced file, and I'm pretty sure you will see the difference. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this from your TO Sensei.